Alright, what's up? Welcome in. We're doing some troubleshooting here. My Banshee's not starting. I don't know what it is. It could be a whole bunch of things. The first thing I tried was to go through the carbs. We just took apart the carbs and cleaned them, went all through them, and I bumped up the pilot jet up a size to I think 27.5. It was just the stock size. But I guess it was time to do that. It's got, the bike has pipes, it's got the pod filters. So we'll see how that is, but it didn't fix the problem. The bike's still not starting. And just a quick history, when I got this bike, it started up always, like first or second kick. But lately, over the last like 2 years, it's been kind of finicky. Like one day, you'll come out and kick it like 2 or 3 times, it'll start up. And then, you know, the next day or whatever, it'll take like 25 kicks. But right now, it's just literally not starting. So it could be a whole bunch of things. Like I said, I went through the carbs. Something one of my friends recommended was to take apart the kill switch and clean it out, which I have it open right now and it is kind of dirty. So that's the first thing I'm going to do today. Hopefully that kind of takes care of it. I think it is something like that. I did buy a compression tester because I made like a post on Facebook, and that was something that did come up. People were like saying, yeah, it's time to test the compression if your bike's not starting. You know, so I do have a compression tester. I hope it doesn't get to that. I have a CDI that I'll check today if it gets to that. And the reeds, I bought some new reed pedals, just the stock ones. I didn't want to go to like V-Forces or anything right now. I don't have any extra money to do that. You know, those things are expensive. Buying new OEM reed pedals was only like 10 bucks or something. So I'm gonna, if this doesn't fix the problem, that's probably gonna be the next thing. Pop the reeds open, see what condition they're in. I'm assuming those have never been changed. Might be time for that. And then we'll just keep going, knocking stuff off until this bike starts. Hopefully it's not a long day. I feel like there was something else I needed to say, but oh well, fuck it. I'm not really one for doing videos in the garage. It's too dirty and greasy and shit. Hats off to the people that like really chronicle everything. I've got the carbs off, took the reeds out and had a look at them. They look fine, which sucks. These reeds look pretty good. That sucks. I was hoping they would be like cracked and making my bike not start. I have everything apart. At least on that side. I haven't checked the other side yet, but we just took apart the key switch and cleaned that out. It was a little dirty, but I gave it some kicks. The bike didn't start. I haven't tested the key switch. I don't know how to do that. I have to look it up, I guess. Someone else was saying that could be another issue. What else? I have tested with a ohms meter. I've tested the electronics right here, the coil and stuff, and this is all in spec. So I've done almost everything I can think of to get this bike going, and I don't know. I got a compression tester. I think that's what I'm going to jump to next. And the other only thing it could be is back here. The CDI box could have failed, but I don't know. Those are my last two things I can think of right now, and this fun bike's going in the shop, I guess. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. I think I take it all back. We're gonna get this thing running today. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching a quick little video. The Banshee is running. It started right up after I went into the reeds and kind of cleaned them out, like I said. My guess with the whole thing is that the gaskets failed. The gaskets were old and kind of they were ready to be replaced. I think it was an air leak. Like I think that makes sense. The bike like gradually getting harder and harder to start, and then now just not starting, or it was just not starting. I'm saying it was an air leak. I don't know if that's what it was. I did clean out that kill switch, but the bike wasn't starting after that, so that's just my guess. I mean, the carbs and stuff, I did clean them out, but I mean, anyway, the bike's starting now. I wanted to make this video as kind of like a guide, I guess. If your bike's having similar issues, you can kind of watch it and see what to do. All the stuff that I tested, I always plan to make a video and get everything down, but I for some reason I never do it. Like I didn't record myself testing using the ohms meter, and when I'm in the garage, I just don't find myself recording. So what I want to do is get out some riding videos on my little notification thing. I just seen the day before yesterday. This time last year I was in Glamis. I guess that's the pictures we're looking at now. But I mean, this has been a crazy year. I didn't ride at all this year, really, with everything that's going on in the world. So yeah, hopefully the next video we see coming up is just some Banshee riding footage. That's all I want to be up to now. Hopefully I won't be in the garage. You did see at the very end there, I have to get my right silencer hung back up. The thread's kind of stripped out, so I got to work on that. But that's it. I mean, the bike's going. And thanks for watching all that stuff. Tune in. Yeah, I'll have the drone up, and I'll have some cool videos coming up, I hope. So anyways, guys, happy Thanksgiving. Today's Thanksgiving, so whenever you're watching this, y'all take care, be safe, all that good stuff, and see you next time.